What's good, y'all? Welcome back to the roundtable. It's your boy SirMyk, and we are here for another reaction video. Today we're gonna be watching SSJ! We got two videos we're gonna watch: the birds and the Z's, and the other one I believe is called I'm about to do singing and the power-ups. So we're gonna watch both of those videos. If y'all hype for these, man, make sure you smack that like button for me, all right? It's YouTube law, right? I gotta say it. I feel like if I don't, then ain't nobody gonna actually like the video. Anyway, make sure y'all smack that like on the video. Also, make sure you subscribe. It's gonna be a grind to get subs now. The way they got this whole bells subscriber thing going is like 3 different levels. I understand they don't want the little guys like us coming up, but we finna come up, baby. We still gonna grind no matter what. Anyway, without any further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. Hey, we doing all his animations now. They clean, bro. All his animations clean.
Send to me.
He be killing the singing tip too. Killing it with the senses, huh?
Come on, Dad. Dad! God!
That's how I got your mother, Gohan.
I don't care!
Boy, who the hell are you yelling at?
Nope.
Huh?
I'm sorry,
Don't get it twisted, Gohan! I'll throw a goddamn spirit bomb at you!
Okay, Dad, but you're singing. It makes me want to blast myself in the face.
Well, I sang to your mother and she let me smash the first night.
You smashed Mom?
Hit it 3 times and I wifed her.
Why would you hit her? You monster!
Wait, that's not what I meant.
What are you saying?
Your dad, I mean Piccolo, never had the talk with you?
Boy.
The talk.
You know, the birds and the Z's.
I hate birds.
He said, yo, Dad, Piccolo, he ain't tell you.
Bird hating ass. Well, Gohan, sometimes when a man and a woman like each other, they do stuff.
What kind of stuff do they do?
Okay.
Each other. No, okay, imagine that boys have power poles and girls have hyperbolic time chambers.
Okay.
When a boy sees a pretty girl, his power pole may extend.
Sounds like some weird sorcery to me.
Then if the girl likes the boy, she may allow him to place his power pole inside her hyperbolic time chamber. Then, after 9 months, something emerges.
What emerges?
A capsule.
A capsule corp capsule?
Yep, and guess what's inside the capsule?
A beef fajita taco?
No! A baby, Gohan!
Boy.
Well, how am I supposed to know? Shit!
It's useless.
Dad,
Yeah?
Mr. Piccolo did tell me about the birds and the Z's.
Really?
Yeah. And from this day forward, I vow to put my power pole in as many time chambers as possible.
Okay, Savage.
And one day, maybe I'll be just like you.
Okay,
I'll
Savage.
have a bunch of kids.
What?
And neglect them.
What was that?
My man said, neglective. Hell no. All right, let's go ahead and get to the next one.
SSJ!
This one was not animated by him. All right.
Okay, Mr. Piccolo. I'm ready for my next training lesson.
Alright, kid, you're gonna need to ready your throat.
What?
Boy.
No, Mr. Piccolo.
Don't get the wrong idea. Now, start by clearing your throat.
What is this, bro? Boy.
Alright, it's clear! This next lesson is gonna show you how to get the most out of your power-up. Now pay attention.
Okay, Piccolo.
Yeah!
Okay,
was
Piccolo.
amazing. I could really hear the soul in your voice. I almost was attracted to you for a second.
All right, it's your turn, kid. I don't expect you to master it on the first try, but give it a go.
Hey.
Go easy in this bitch.
Hey.
You know how it goes.
Hey.
Go easy, got them hoes.
You killed
How
it.
was that, Mr. Piccolo?
He sounded like an angel.
Hey, that beat fire, bro. Hey, that beat was fire, bro. That joint was hot. I like both of them. We're gonna watch the other two later on. I will say this though, I actually like his animations better than some of the other animations that people do for him. I don't know if he didn't have enough time or what, but I think his animation would have been better than the one that we saw. But it was still a good animation, don't get me wrong, but it was still decent though. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Until next time though. Oh, I'm out of here.